In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add attachments in Trello quickly and efficiently. Whether you're managing projects, collaborating with a team, or organizing personal tasks, adding attachments to your Trello cards helps keep everything in one place. You can attach documents, images, PDFs, links, and even files from cloud storage platforms like Google Drive and Dropbox. By the end of this video, you'll know every simple way to upload and manage attachments inside Trello. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the board you're working on. From there, click on the card where you want to add an attachment. Remember, attachments are added directly to individual cards, not the board itself. Once you click on a card, it will open up and you'll see the detailed view with options on the right-hand side. On the right side menu, look for the option labeled Attachment. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click Attachment, Trello will give you several upload options. The first option is to upload a file directly from your computer. If the file is saved locally on your device, click Computer, browse for the file you want to upload, select it, and confirm. Within seconds, the file will appear as an attachment inside the card. Next, you'll notice options for cloud storage services like Google Drive and Dropbox. If your files are stored in the cloud, simply click the service you want to use. You may be prompted to sign in and grant Trello permission to access your account. Once connected, you can browse your cloud files, select the document you need, and attach it directly to your Trello card without downloading it first. This is especially useful for team collaboration because everyone can access the most up-to-date version of the file. Another simple method is attaching a link. If you have a URL to a website, Google Doc, YouTube video, or any online resource, you can paste that link directly into the attachment field. Click Attachment, paste the link into the provided box, and confirm. Trello will automatically generate a clickable link inside the card, making it easy for anyone on your team to access the resource. Now let's talk about the fastest method of all, drag and drop. If you already have your file open on your desktop or in a folder, you can simply drag the file and drop it directly onto the open Trello card. You don't even need to click the attachment button. Just drag, drop, and Trello will automatically upload the file to that card. This method saves time and is perfect when you're quickly adding multiple files. Once your attachment is uploaded, you'll see it listed inside the card. From here, you can click on the attachment to open it, download it, or even set it as the card cover if it's an image. Setting an image as the cover can make your board more visual and easier to scan at a glance. If you need to remove an attachment, simply click the small menu next to it and choose Delete. It's also worth mentioning that Trello has file size limits depending on your plan. Free accounts typically have smaller upload limits, while paid plans allow larger file uploads. If you're working with large design files or videos, keep that in mind. And that's it. That's how you add attachments in Trello, using uploads from your computer, cloud storage integrations, direct links, or simple drag and drop. Keeping all your relevant files attached to each card makes your workflow cleaner, more organized, and much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.